Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 10. The process is straightforward and effortless. All you have to do is look at the bottom of your computer screen. Here, you can see icons. From these icons, tap on this arrow icon. In this pop-up, you can see the option Windows Security on the first number. Tap on it. After that, look at the first option, Virus and Threat Protection. Tap on it. Scroll down. Here are the option Virus and Threat Protection settings. Tap on the option Manage Settings. On the first number, you can see the option for real-time protection. Simply turn off this. Now, real-time protection is off. It means your Windows Defender is off. So, it was the fundamental way to turn off Windows Defender on Windows 10. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.